moved on to learn about design portfolios. And a portfolio is a medium that users...
That's platform.
Oh, sorry. A platform is a medium that users experience your product. Example, let me know this. So designing across platforms, you have to consider some things. You have to consider the screen size, the interaction, the content layout, and its functionality. And when designing across platforms, you have to make sure that your product is consistent throughout on the mobile app, the iPad, or the website. It has to be continuous. It has to have a good context, and it has to be complementary. We moved on to learn about design sprints, and design sprints is a vigorous design challenge that usually spans across 5 phases and is usually done for 5 working days, 5 to 14 working days majorly. And when you're doing a design sprint, you have to make sure that you call in the experts, you find the right space, you gather your supplies, you establish your sprint rules at the beginning of the design sprint, and then you plan your introductions and after your design sprint, you have to make sure you do your post-sprint planning. We learned about design portfolios, and a portfolio is a collection of works you have done or created that showcases your skill in a particular area.